Hello everyone, welcome back to an enriched channel. If you're new here, I'm Matrix and I'm super excited you are joining me today. In this tutorial, we are going to build a beautiful and functional multi-step form using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. No external libraries needed. Whether you are creating a user registration for a survey or checkout process, this type of form is super useful and professional looking. We will walk through each step of design, from structuring the form in HTML to styling with a modern CSS, including animated progress indicators, and finally adding logic with a JavaScript so users can move between steps, validate input, and even see a smooth animation for progress. We will also learn how to change the entire theme, like switching button and highlight colors from the red to blue, using CSS variables so your form matches your brand perfectly. By the end of this video, you will not only have a responsive interactive form ready to use in your own project, but you will also understand how and why everything works. So make sure you hit the subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming tutorial where we will take this form even further. Maybe even connect it to database or validate it with the real users' data. Just alright, let's get started and bring this multi-step form to the live. This is what you're going to do in our video. We're going to create a sign-up form with these steps. So if I click matrix, for example, if I say matrix unreached, then I click here, you see there is a progress, there is something. You see, if I click to go with the second step, so you see Matro. If I click, you see, if I click, you see guys, you can edit what you want. You can make female, matro, 2000, female, matro. Then you see guys, matrix unreached, then email address an@gmail.com 0788888, date 197, female, mat. Can edit something if you want, male, 90. Guys, this is what you're going to cover in this page. You will find the WhatsApp group. If you want source code, you will join that group. Guys, let us start. So this is the folder that you're going to use. Extra starters. So now we are going to start with HTML form. Guys, are you ready? Now, as you know, we are going to start with HTML form. Let's call it index.html. So now, as you see, you're going to start with doc type and Then this is for declare the document type as HTML5. So now we are going to move with open HTML document, and then we are going to open the HTML document, set languages to English and text direction to the left to the right. So now redo it, HTML, then language, it is English, this is what English, then direction, it is left to right, use RTR, left to right. So guys, now you see that now we are going to head section for metadata and the linked resources. Use this head. After that, we are going to meta charset. So say this meta charset, let me write it, meta charset, let's use UTF-8. So this is for static characters encoding to UTF-8. Support most characters with many languages. So after that, we are going to move with to title. So we are going to set a title for web page. It's, a title appears in a browser tab. It's title. We are going to use multi-step form. This is enough. So after that, what you're going to do is to write the script that you use for CSS. But it is not necessary to write it, but in order to continue, we are going to link it now. But let's create a CSS file. Let's call it style .css. So after that, what you're going to do, under the title, we are going to link that file in our HTML document. So now we're going to use the link here. It is a style sheet. So left this file, this style.css. So after that, what you're going to do, this was a linking external CSS file, which is that for styling the form. This we will use this for styling this form. Now let's move to the body. So after that, this body section, this contains visible content on the web page. It will contain the visible content on the web page. So let's use we're going to go with the container div going to define a class let's call it container. So this container will contain the entire form content. So let's use inside of it header. So for header, we are creating a header. So for header, to display the header title for the form. So let's use the sign up. Sorry. Let's write it. Sign up form. We are going to create a sign up form. So after that, we are going to move with a container for step indicator or progress bar. So let's do that. Div. So div class, let's call it progress bar. So after that, for progress bar, we need the class of step. So for step 1, div class which is called the step. Let's call it a step. So after that, what you're going to do is let's use paragraph P and its name. It is a step title. So after that, you're going to declare this is the step title. Now we are going to move with a cycle with a step number. Div plus security bullet. So after cycle with a step number, we are going with a span. So span 1, then after this span, you're going to check mark icon font size and to appear when a step is complete. So let's declare it. Div Yes. So check pass if check. So after that, what you're going to do, now is to go with step 2. So let's use div. Press 2 step. So now what you need, in step 2, we need a contact. Need a contact. So for contact, we also need a bullet. So div plus bullet, and it is a span 2. Span 2 need to also check div plus check this the of check. So after that, what you're going to do is to go to step 3. On step 3, we need a div. We need also to define a step as a class. So this is for step 3. So for paragraph F, bath, we are using bath. So after that, we go with bullets are gone. So div class of bullet, and then span is the 3. Now we need a bullet. Now a mini check div plus check So after that, what you're going to do is to go with step 4. So with step 4, you need to declare a step also again, give class step. So this is for step 4. So for step 4, we are going to submit. You don't need to write many things. So let's use save. So after that, you need a bullet. Give plus bullet, and then you need a spanning form. And you need also check div plus check so after that, what you're going to do is that to move with the form, just the actual form content, that's right. So now let's decorate div a class. Let's use div a class, and the call, let's call it form outer. After this, we are going to use a form action where we can insert like insert.php and other things. So but you know, we will implement backend after completing this one. There is currently no backend action, so it means nothing to submit. Form, so you're going to use the form action. There we can insert like insert.php, but no backend we have now. But we will do it. We will need to do it in the next video. So it means that for form element currently no backend, so nothing that we're able to submit. After that, you're going to find the page, that's right. So let's use div class page. So it's a slide try the page. So after that, what you're going to do is to add the section title. So div pass div across the title. It is basic information. So after that, what you're going to do is to add the first name. So declare this div class. So div class, let's call them a field. After that, we're going to add first name. Div class, it is label, then it is first name. After that, this must be input. It is input type text. So now what we need for now is to go to the Rust field, Rust name field. So div class, it is a field. So for Rust name, what you have it to do is to use div again, div class, it is label, and in the label we have Rust name. So after that, this is input type. And that is a text. So now after this, or after that, we need another navigation field. Or navigation button. We need next for that. we need the next only, there is no previous. So what we need now is to go with the button. So let's declare div class is a field. So after that we need the button class. Let's call it first next. This is next. This button is next. So it means no previous. We need now after that we are going to the second page of the form. So for the second page of the form, let's declare the class div class let's call it page for second page of the form. So after that we are going to go with the deal with contact information. So div class the div class the title, then let's use a contact information. So after that what you're going to do, let's add something here. So after that what you're going to do is to go with a field. So if the field div class of field. So after that field you go with div plus. So let's we need the field of email address. So it is a variable the email address, and it is input type is equal to text. So after that we need another field of phone number. So div class field After that, first what we need now, we need label, which is div plus label, and this label is for phone number. Then input type, phone number. So after that, number is for numeric number only, input. Then after that, we are going to move with a button. Div plus it's for beating buttons. So after that, you're going to use the button across. We're going to declare this class. You can use the div -1. This for previous. So this for going back. After that, you're going to the next button across. Next, let's use next -1. So then next. So after that, you're going to move to page again of DOB, and that. So div class is for page. So this for third page form. Then let it do quickly. Div. So we are going to do quickly. Div plus field. So then div class. So now div class but there's something that is still missing. Still need a title. Div plus data is that the path but this must go that's it too. So that so input type to the text. After that, so the date should be either for use type date. So after that, you're going to move from gender label. Let it go quickly. Let it go quickly because it's the same formula. I'm going to use the if plus zero. So after that, do the plus so label which is gen. So now after that you are going to select, you know, here there is an option to select. Retail option. This is main. Option. Female. Then option. Other. Select. After that, we are going to move to previous button. Previous button and for previous button and the next button. But here I'm going to go quickly. Div. So it's for navigation button. Button cross. Div 2. Div. It is the previous. So after that, button equals go next minus 2 next positive next. After that, what we need now is we are going final page. So this final page, div plus able to declare page. So div plus set to the title. It is the login details. So you're going to include the field div path field so div path label username and so it is a text. So after that, you're going to move to password. So, but I need to understand. So now, what you're going to do is input type equal password. So after that, you need to go with a button. Yes. Press buttons. So after that, you need the button class. So button class is the preview 3. Save. So we need also button press. So for button class, for this one, it's for submit. Submit. So after that now, what we need now is to Guys, after that, what you have to do, I deleted one div. Guys, let us check that these are many things. Let's delete this. So after that, let's use this. Now let's see if you can open this. Let's open this. Let me try to open in a browser. Let's check. Check and sign up. Use this. So you see, guys, now what you are going to do is to include CSS there, JavaScript. So let's create a link for, but you have to create a file. Right, call it script.js. So after that, let's link it into our HTML file. Have it to be in a body. So you're going to add it. So script src script.js. So this link external JavaScript file to add interactive behavior to the form. As you have seen, it doesn't look well. But we are going to start with CSS. So for CSS, we are going to start with importing. We are going to import pumping a Google URL. So from pumping the Google URL, it is not easy, but let's use import URL. Google use HTTPS slash fonts dot Google APIs, I think, .com. I've used this many times. So then use the CSS family. Boom. Let's use Poppins. It is the Poppins. So now let's use 400, 200, 400, 500, and 600, 700, and display swap, which is equal to swap. So now we are going to reset margin, padding, and outline for all image. So let's do like this: margin 0, padding is a 0. Let's use D 0. Then you need the outline. This is none. Then UI font family. Choose popping. So poppins. Then let's use some self. So after that, what you're going to do is to add something for styling body element. Let's use body. So body, let's add something. Display. Next. Then align items to the center. Justifying content. To the center. Then mean it's hidden. But let's use 100 VH. So this minimum height of the body is still viewport height. So now let's do overflow. Wait. It is a hiding. This hide the scroll bar. Then background. So for background, we need to add a photo. Let's use the green, no problem. So WebKit linear gradient. So it is a bottom. Then let's use this color C5. It is a pre. Then let's use red. Center D43 F8. So now let's try. So after that, we are going to style the selected text. So let's go quickly. Selection. So after selection, choose color. So after that's what we need now is the background. So background, select. So let me see. Let's check on many container box. So for container box, reduce dot container. So after that, font size. Font size at 5 pixels. Then font weight. Font weight now system. After that, you need margin. Zero. That reduce at 0. Let's see if there's some changes. Okay, now you see there are some changes until we enable JavaScript. So after that, we are going to move on container header. So that container that, so it's for container header. So now what we did now is let's check. For width, then background. So background, let's use the white, so it have to be this. Then a text array, let's put it on center. Text line, put it on center. So we need also border radius. Let's add border radius. So border radius, let's make it 5 pixels. Then for padding, we're going padding, let's use for top, let's use 50, top 50 pixel. Then you right 35 pixels. Then left here, let's use 10 pixels. On bottom padding, let's use 35 pixels again, 10 pixels. 35 for padding button pixels. So now guys, I think I can use this. Let's use this. Let's move this. I think it is not necessary, but let's use it. Let's use it there. So after that, we are going to move with let's move with around the form of content by hiding overflow. So let's use container dot form outer. So this is going to be, let's use width of 100. Then overflow hiding. Let's hide it. So but guys, let's see, let us save and see if there is some changes. We're going to check if there is some changes. Let us see. Let's open. You see guys, we have a different pattern. There is some changes. This will work at the time we'll put there the JavaScript. So now let's move with a form that contains multiple steps. So container, then dot form outer, then form. Now we're going to arrange page side by side. So let's use display fix. Then so it is for arrange page side by side. Then let's use width of 400. So after that, we are going to work with individual page step in the form. Form outer, form dot page. So now you see we are going to deal with this page. So let's make each page take 25% of the form. So width, let's give it 25. Then for striding transition, let's use transition. Then let's use margin. Let's use margin left. 0.3 second. You see, it use in out, is in out for smooth transition. So after that, you are going to deal with a page title. So for page title, it use from outer form, then we need a title. So dot page, it is in a page, then dot title. So for this, you're going to align text line. See, we are going to take to the left. So for font size, let's make it 30 pixels. Let's make it 25 pixels. Then font weight, let's make it for font weight, let's make it 500. So now let's save and see some changes. You see, guys, start to change. So now we are going to move with fill the block, the input container. So it uses dot from outer form, then dot page, that we're going to deal with a field. So this field. So after that, you know, the field that you're going to deal with is this field. So for fields, let's make a width of 330 pixel, 8.5 pixel. Then for margin, let's make it make it 0.5 pixels with 0. So for display, let's make it flex. So after that, we need a position. It is a relative. Let's make it relative. So let's save and check. Okay, no problem, guys. So now we are going to move with label for input. So we need here, we need a form. Then page, then a field, then we need a label class. Our label div class, let's make it, let's use position absolute. Then top, let's make it minus 30 pixels. Then font weight, let's make it 500. Okay. So now we are going to deal with the input style. So for input style, you know, the input, the other things. For input style, we're going to use the form, .page, .field, let's use input, so for input we need a height here of 100%. So width is let's make it 100 also %. Then border, for border let's make it 1 pixel. Sorry, then let's make use right gray. So after that you need a border radius. For border radius, straight use 5 pixels. Then for, let's see some changes. Okay, no problem. So after border radius, we need the padding to move to the left. So padding left, let's make it 15 pixels, and font size, let's make it 15 pixels. So let's check if there is some changes. Okay guys, now let's go with you're going to go with a select drop down style. So here we need the form. We need the form, then page, then field, then select. So for select, what you need now, you need a width of 100%. You need 100%. Then padding left. Padding left. Let's make it 10 pixel. So after that we need font size. Font size, let's make it 17 pixel. After 17 pixel, we need the font weight. Font weight. We need the 500. So we are going to deal with the button style on next submit and the others like previous. So we use form. Use the form. So for form, what we need now is for form, what we need now is we need for form, what we need now is form. We need the page. Then after page we need the field. So after fields we need the button. No, these are class. Then button. Need the button. So for button, what we need now is just button styles. So for button style, what we need we need the width of 100%. Then height. Let's use straight taller than input. Let's make it straight taller than input. So choose this function. 100% plus. Which is plus 5 pixels. So after that you need for border, let's make it 9. Then for background you need it in blue. So for blue we use this. Let's use this color. Use 0.5, is 0.25 C 5. It is a C5, I think. Let's add here 0. Let's see the output. Yeah, no, that's a correct. So just for bro, then margin. Let's make margin top to be minus 20 pixel. After that, we need the border radius. So for border radius, we need 5 pixel. Then color, let's make it white. It is FFF. So now focus. Let's use the point. Then for font size, let's use 18 pixels. Then font weight, we are going to use 500. After font weight, we need letter spacing. For letter spacing, let's use 1 pixel. So text transform. For text transform, let's use the package. Then for transition, let's use 0.5 second. Let's make it easy. So now let's see some changes. Okay, now you see it is a bro. Now what we need is for button hover effect. Let's make a button hover effect. So we need the form, then page, then field, button, it's at the hover, so this for rates, for hover rate, make it black. So background, let's make it black, and you know black is 0 3 times. So now other things that we need, let's check if it works. Let me refresh. Now it works. So now we are going to move with a special styling for navigation buttons. So let's use form, then dot page, dot buttons, then button. So this buttons is this, yeah, this one. It's for beefy buttons. So now let's make it margin top. For margin top, let's use a minus 20 pixel. So after that, we are going to, but this is not enough. Let's use, let me check. I think should add something like, let's add something, but not important. Okay, now can move with previous button spacing. So use form, then dot page, dot buttons, then button dot previous. So here we need to add, you need to add margin right, margin right. So let's make it 3 pixels. Then font size, let's use 17 pixels. So after that, we are going to move with button spacing. So for button spacing, we need to use let's use for button spacing, let's use a font, then dot page, dot buttons, then button dot next. So for button dot next, what we need is margin. Let's add margin right. Let's make it 3 pixels. You see the effect. So after that, we need a progress bar container. So let's use that container dot progress bar. So here we need for progress bar, display. For display, let's make it for display. For display, let's make it bricks. Then margin, let's make it 40 pixels, 0. So then for user selection, let's make it 9. So now we are going to move to the, what you need to do now is each step in a progress bar. So we need to use the container. So the progress bar, then dot step. This is the steps. For this step, you know, it is also declared in HTML. I think let me show you something. But I now have declared this. If you need to find it easy, you do Ctrl F, then a step. You see, there's a step. So for this step, what we need there, pivot align, text align. So for text align, let's make it center. Then width, let's make it 100%. Then position, so relative. So let's see some changes. You see, guys, we are changing everything. So now we are going to the step label text. So use dot container dot dot progress bar. Then use dot step, then a paragraph. So here what you need now is for P we need font weight. So font weight, let's make it font weight 500, and the font size let's make it 18 pixel. Then color, let's make it black. This. Then margin bottom, which uses 8 pixel. So now we are going to move to step bullet cycle. So let's use dot progress. So dot progress, then dot step, and then dot step, then dot you're going to move dot bullet. So for this we need the height of 25 pixels. We need the width 25 pixels also. Then we need the border. So for border, what you need 2 pixels. Solid, leave it to be black, solid black. So then display inline, we need but it's not inline only. Let's use display inline block. It's good. So then border radius. Let's make it 50. 50%. Position relative. Then in transition, it use the transition here for 0 2 second. Then after transition, we need the font weight. Use 500. Then a font size 17 pixel. For line height, let's use 25 pixels. So after that, let's see some changes. Okay, good. Now it is in a progress. So after that, we're going to the active bullet state. So for active bullet state, we use progress bar dot move to dot step, then dot bullets, then dot so it's a dot bullet dot active. So after that, here we need border color. So border color, let's make it brown. Then background, let's make it also brown. Go. So now we are going inside. So we're going give a number inside of bullet. So we need dot progress. So dot step dot step then dot bullet, then dot use the span. So here now what we need is the position. Absorb. Let's use absorb. Then left for left, let's use 50%. Then it transform. Choose translate text minus 50%. Let's move quickly. So we're going to deal with the hide number when it's active. So dot progress bar dot step dot bullet active, then span. div display none. So after this, we are going to work on line connectors between steps before and after bullet. So here what we need now is to use dot progress bar dot step, then dot bullet, add this before, comma, use dot progress again, progress bar dot step, then dot bullet, after, but you don't need to this to the has to remain with one. So after that, we need something like position, for example, absolute, then content. Let's make it empty. Then bottom, for bottom, let's make it 11 pixel. Bottom, then right. Let's make it -51. Height, let's make it 3 pixel. Then width, let's make it 44 pixel. So after that, we are going to go with background. So background, let's use 26. So for bra, yeah. Now we are going to look for active connecting line animation. But let's see our progress now. You see, guys, the line. So now we are going with active connecting line animation. So use dot progress bar dot step dot bullet active then let's use after because it's for animation. So here what we need a background. So background you need you need a blur. Then transform. For transform I need the scar X and it's a 0. So for transform origin, let's use transform origin, choose the left, then animation. animate. It is animate 0.3 second. Then rename forward. Now we are going to go with we are going to animate the progress bar frame. So let's use this keyword. Keyframes, animate. Then let's use 100%. Transform. Then select. Let's use 1. Now we are going to remove the line on rusty steps, but let's refresh. See progress. So now what you're going to do is to remove line in the last step. So progress bar step rust child, then import it before. Then import it before. Progress bar let's try put it after. So here what we need is to display nothing. Mean none. So now we are going to change label color on active step. Choose that progress bar step active. So the color, let's use the blue. Then transition 0.2 sec. Now we are going to move with check mark shown on complete step. So use progress bar steps step and check. So after that position sort, then left. Let's use 50 pixels. Then top, let's use 70 pixels. Font size, let's use 50 pixel. Then transform, right, it translate minus 50 pixel. Minus 50. Let's use percentage, not pixel. So now after that, what we need, nothing that we need to display. So display is 9. Now you're going to move on showing check mark when it's active. So you use dot progress bar dot step dot check dot active. So display to be in a block. Then let's make it white. F. So now let's save and see the output. Okay, now we're going to move JavaScript. We're going to start by selecting the stride from. We're going to start by select the stride from container. So it's used to move the form to show different pages. So let's start by declaring that constant. Let's use the stride the page to be equal to document dot, let's use query selector. So here I use dot stride stride page. So after that, you're going with restricting navigation buttons. So for next button, let's use constant next button. Let's use this keyword first. For first button, going to be equal to document dot query selector. We are going to use let's use dot rev 1. So previous button constant. So pref pattern is a second. Go to document selector. So here we need the pref one. Let's write the page, but this for first page. So because for first page we need dot host. So after this, we need just to declare constant. So the second next button. Next, call it button sec. So it's going to be equal to document dot query selector. Let's use the next one. So after that, you're going to declare a constant of previous two. Pattern. So we're going to use a third. Go to document dot query selector. So here we use this prev to dot prev minus 2, but here going to be in double quotes. What the issue? Let's write it again. Dot prev minus 2. So after that, we need the next button for the second. So open constant next button that go to document query selector. We need the next summary next So after that, we need the previous C3 constant views pattern. Let's use off. So it's going to be equal to document dot, I think it is not calculator, document dot query selector. This is the previous C3. Previous 3. So after that, we're going to select element for progress indicator. For indicator, we need constant progress text, which is going to be equal to document dot query select or which is going to be equal to dot step. But I think we need a submit button. But let me finish this step. Okay. We need a submit button. So let's declare it constant submit button going to be document dot query selector use dot save. So after that, to submit. After that, this for step title. Then we go for checking icon, constant progress. Let's use the progress check equal to document that query selector all. Then you go dot step, then dot check. So after that, we're going for step bullet constant bullet 2. Okay, selector all. Dot step, but you need something like this. Dot step dot bullet. So after that, we're going to define or to declare the current table tracker. So let's use for example, let's use current equal, for example, equal 1. Then we are going to deal with event or clicking on the first next. So use the next button first. Dot add event listener. So I need a click. Choose a click. So function event. So now event prevent default. Side page that choose a style. That choose margin left. Equal to minus 25%. This for just this for seconds, straight to the second. So after that, use a bullet. Current -1. So that use the class list. Let's add it, use double add, so it's active. Now move to progress check. So current -1 dot class list dot add active. Then we move to progress text. So now current -1 dot class list dot add active. So now we are going to add another one for explanation. Let's use +1 1. So we are going on the second event for clicking on the next event, but you still need here something like this. So but let's check on our UI. Guys, let's check on our UI. Sorry. So after that, what you're going to do, you're going on the next button. So next button, second. So the event list, listener. So you need to click, then the function of event. So after that, need event that event default. So after that, you need the straight page that is style that margin left, which is going to be equal to minus 50%. So after that, this will straight to the third page. So let's say something not correct here. So now let's use a bullet. So for bullet, need the current -1 that press list that is going to be active. Then let me copy this. And this also. So after that, I need current is equal 1. to move to the third button. So next button is that. Add event listener. We need a click. So now function. Then so after that we need it to copy, but let me event dot event default. After that stride page dot style dot margin left is going to be equal to minus 70 percentage. It is the final stride. So now let's save in the current plus equal 1. Let's add the space, no problem. So now we need submit button. So for submit button that's event listener. Then you need the click. After that function build and if it adds this bullet, then the current plus equal 1. So now we're going to confirm. We're going to show the confirmation message and load after short delay. So it should set timeout. Function. And let's our form. Successful, submitted. Then location reload. So then this still now load our form. Now I need to move to second previous stride. Preview button second. Let's add this now. Click option. Event. Now event prevent default. So that stride page dot style style. Style on margin left. Margin left is equal to percentage 0. It is straight back to the first. So now I can paste and use two. So after that, parent minus add the button for previous. So prev button 4 dot add event to rest now, then click function event. So now event default. So after that, straight page style margin but here we don't need to use this have to be previous second. Let's use remove. Use the remove, not add. So then here it tells to be that. And the slider page that style method equal -25. That's 10. Difficulty is for the second part. So after that, let's copy this. It is the same. So after that, away on the fourth button fourth dot add event listener percentage so now we need to click, then we add function. After that, event. Now add event dot prevent default. After that, we need this right page dot style, dot margin left, dot remove then let's copy this. But style dot margin left, it is not for remove. It to be minus 50%. Goes for back. So now can copy. So after that, you can save. Then we need to attach a background image, so can add it. See the style. So in style, in the style on the body, think on the body we have in the body you have a display specify min height, overthrow, background green, but have also to add URL. We need to copy. We have some image in down here. We use this brave to dot brave minus 2, but you got to be in double quotes. What the issue? Let's write it again. Dot ref plus 2. So after that we need the next button for the second. So open constant next button that is equal to document query selector. We need next sonne next to. So after that we need the previous A3 constant previous button and choose off. Which is going to be equal to document dot next is not calculator document dot query selector. This is the previous A3. Level 3. So after that, we're going to select element for progress indicator. For indicator, we need constant progress text, which is going to be equal to document dot query select or it is going to be equal to dot step, but I think we need a submit button. But let me finish this step. Okay. We need a submit button. So let's declare it constant submit button going to be document dot query selector use dot save. So after that to submit. After that, this for step title. Then you go for checking icon, constant progress. You choose the progress. Check equal to document that query selector on. Then you go dot step, then dot check. So after that, You're going for step bullet constant bullet 2. Okay, paste letter O. Dot step, but you need something like this. Dot step dot bullet. So after that, we're going to define or to declare the current step tracker. So let's use for example, let's use current equal, example equal 1. Then we are going to do the event for clicking on the first next. So use the next button first. Dot add event listener. So I need click. Choose a click. So function event. So now event prevent default. Side page dot choose a style. Dot choose margin left. Equal to minus 25%. This for just this for seconds, straight to the second. So after that, use a bullet. Current -1. So that use the class list. Let's add use double add, so it's active. Now move to progress check. So current -1 dot class list dot add active Then we move to progress text. Progress text. So now current -1 dot asterisk dot not active. So now you are going to add another for explanation. Plus reduce plus 1. So we are going on the second to event for clicking on the next event, but you still need here something like this. So but let's check on our UI. Guys, let's check on our UI. Sorry. So after that, what you're going to do, you're going on next button. So next button, second. So the event list. Now, so we need it to click, then the function of event. So after that, need event dot prevent default. So after that, you need the straight page that is style dot margin left. Which is going to be equal to -50%. So after that, this will straight to the third page. Sorry, something. So now let's use a bullet. So for bullet, need the current -1 dot press list dot add. It's going to be active. Then Let me copy this. And this also. So after that, I need current equal 1. Then you are going to move to the start button. So next button is that add event listener. We need a click. So now function. Okay. So after that, we need it to copy, but let me event default. After that, stride page dot style dot margin left is going to be equal to minus 70 percentage. It is the final slide. So now let's save in the current plus equal 1. Let's add the space, no problem. So now we need submit button. So for submit button that's event listener. Then you need a click. After that, function build and if it adds this part, then current plus equal 1. So now we're going to confirm. okay, to show the confirmation, message and load after short delay. So set timeout. Function. Your phone. Successful. Submitted. Then location. So this now it's wonderful. Now I need to move to second previous stride. Preview button second. Let's add this now. Click option. Event. Now event dot event default. So that stride page dot style dot style. Style on margin left. Margin left is equal to percentage 0. So straight back to the first. So now I can paste and use so. So after that, parent and add the button for previous. So prev button 5 dot add event to rest now. Then click function event. So now event default. So after that, straight page style margin but here we don't need to use this have to be previous second. Let's use remove. Use the remove, not add. So then here it tells to be that. And slide the page that style method equal minus 25 that's 10. Because it's for the second pack. So after that, let's copy this. It is the same. So after that, away on the fourth prev button fourth dot add event listener percentage percentage so now we need the click. We need to click, then we add function. After that, event. Now add the event dot prevent default. After that, we need this right page dot style dot margin left dot remove active. Then let's copy this. But style dot margin left, it is not for remove. Have to be minus 50% goes for bar. So now can copy so after that you can save. Then we need to attach a background image, so can add it see the style. So in style and in the style on the body thing, on the body we have in the body you have a display justify min height overthrow background green. But have also to add URL. We need to copy. I have some image in downloads. Straight copy this and paste it there. So it is pg.png. Don't need this screen. Let's use this. Here is some things. See, guys. Now let's collect. Guys, let's continue to find the issue. So let's find it. Let's remove this and see. Let's save. So now let's open again. You see now, guys, let's proceed. Matrix from email address matro@gmail.com plus 250 70. Next, date 2000 mail. So username you can say matro, password you can say but you can also do previous. You can edit matrix engineer enriched. Hello guys, welcome back to Unleashed. This is what you're going to do in our video. You're going to create a sign up form with these steps. So if I click matrix, for example, if I say matrix enriched, then I click here, you see there is a progress, there is something. You see, if I click to go with the second step, so you see matro. If I click, you see, if I click, you see guys, you can edit what you want. You can make female matro 2000 female matro. Then you see guys, matrix and just then email address ann@gmail.com 0788888 date 197 female math. You can edit something if you want. Male 90. Guys, this is what you're going to cover in this page. You will find the WhatsApp group. If you want source code, you will join that group. Guys, let us start.